Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com, and today we're taking a look at the iOS app Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, if you know it, it's a famous web browser on the desktop end, but it's also available for iOS, and this is actually my default browser nowadays. I use this over Safari in my iOS. So what Google Chrome allows you to do, it's really great if you use it already on the desktop, because one of the main features that's so great about it on the mobile version is it syncs with all of your Google, your Gmail settings. So if you log in, once you get Google Chrome on iOS, it allows you to log in through your Gmail. And if you log in through your Gmail, you get everything synced over. So your history, everything you've searched on your computer, you get on your mobile device here. So you can see here it's a full feature browser. Really, really nice, really clean interface. I'm on TechSocial.com right here. You can just see how it handles text and everything like that. The basic features, zooming and all that. It handles mobile sites well. It handles desktop sites even, well. Here you can see the blog and stuff like that. Just scrolling down, everything works pretty fluid here. Now you have your, your search and your URL bar at the top here. You can simply type in anything that you want to go to if you're going to a site here. You have the back, but you also have some gestures here. So you can kind of swipe left and right here to get some features. So for example, if I swipe to the right, I get my tabs here of the latest sites I've been to. So you can see here, this is what your kind of detailed home page looks like, just like a regular Google Chrome. It shows your most visited sites, for example, some email accounts, banking accounts, stuff like that for me, and it shows your recently closed sites. You can also see your bookmarks. You can save folders in between. You can make bookmarks and stuff like that. Additionally, you can tap on the top right here and you can see the tabs I have open. So it has support for tabbed browsing. So you can see here I have some sites open up here, and if I don't want a tab open, I can just flick it to the right and close it. Just that simple. So for example, if I want to close out of this tab, you can see that gesture there. Just swipe to the right, and or even swiping to the left allows me to go out of that tab. I can also additionally start a new tab, and you can see there I also have that settings there to go more specific. So I can click here. Again, I can make a new tab easily. So it does have support for tab browsing, which is something that is definitely a great thing on the mobile browsing, especially because you don't have all that screen real estate. Additionally, it has an incognito tab, so if you want to, go shopping or anything of that sort where you don't want people, or if you're using somebody else's mobile device and you don't exactly want them to see what you're searching or going through or logging into, incognito tab essentially doesn't save any of your information, doesn't leave any marks or tracks. You can have your bookmarks here, you can see your other devices, you can share out, find in page, you can request a desktop site if you're on the mobile version, you want to see the desktop site. You can go into settings of the browser here. In the settings, they have stuff like your email account there. You'll see your email. You'll see the search engine. You can actually change the default search engine if you don't want to use Google. You can see save passwords on or off. You can see voice search because it does have support for voice search. Content settings, privacy, all of this stuff here in the settings. And again, it's a really full feature browser. If you're a user of Google Chrome on the desktop already, this allows you to get backwards compatibility, save passwords, history, bookmarks. All of that works on your mobile device, and you get instant access to those. So anytime, if you have ever had that issue where you've searched something on the desktop and you really want to know the article link on the mobile device and you don't quite have it, well, this will fix that. Again, save synced history, synced bookmarks, all of that, and you can adjust all the settings here in Google Chrome. Really great thing, has really great support for tab browsing, fast, simple, clean UI, and it's all updated for the iPhone 5. Everything's, up to date, and it's a really great gesture-based UI. You can see when I'm in an actual screen here, if I don't want to, I can just sift through the tabs very easily by going to the right or left of the browser and just kind of jumping through left and right here. So I can just keep on jumping left and right very, very simply, and then going back into Chrome here. So definitely check it out. This is Chrome for iOS. Definitely worth checking out if you're a Chrome user on the desktop already. It syncs perfectly. Again, Chrome on the iOS for free. Check it out in the App Store today.